Hi everyone, and welcome to week 7 of Writing 213. I'm still getting caught up after a really chaotic week last week, but I've started responding to some of your career research projects and I've read some really great papers. I should respond to all of you over the next few days, so watch for my response. So this week we're getting going on the research project in which you are exploring a problem in your field. So in the same sequence as in our last project, you'll start with a large group workshop. And I've included 2 papers for you to look at. These were written by former students who have given me permission to make them anonymous and share these papers with you so you can get a sense of what some other students have written and some possibilities that you might take. So I've included some instructions as well as 2 sample papers for you. And then you will also complete a project in which you're identifying a statement of a problem. So you should be thinking about a problem related to your field that you really want to dig into in this next research paper, which will be due in week 10. If you have any questions, make sure you're checking in with me. I'll be in my regular office hours on Tuesday, but of course you can always make another appointment with me too. I hope you're all having a great week. Take care.